Alright, so for the box, what I've done here is I've done an actual outlay of how I want to set this up, and I've also got a wiring diagram down the bottom. So we have the set of fuses, the connector from where the power will connect up, the terminal strip which you can screw down onto on the end. We've got some of these banana plug leads, and I've also got some of these 12 volt plugs that the leads would usually connect into. So as we'd have here, the fuses would come in. We'd then have those lead plugs along the top somewhere. The banana leads would then sit along here, and this screw terminal on the end. So I'm going to keep the 12 volt rail at the top, neutral in the middle, 5 volt 3.3. We'll start with that, see how we go, but let's start to build it. Alright, so the first thing I like to do before drilling into any of these boxes is to make sure that I've actually got everything right first before I etch it out. I just put down some painter's tape or masking tape. Painter's tape usually comes off a lot easier once you're done, so and that way it doesn't leave any residue either once you take that off. So I'm going to mark out the spots on the painter's tape where I actually want to cut out the holes. Okay, now that we're done, all we need to do is connect the two pieces together, screw this up so that that won't come apart from the box. We can switch that on. All we need to do now is test the voltages. So I'll put one in the neutral and we'll go 12 volt. Beautiful. 5 and 3.3. That's exactly what we want. And even on this strip terminal as well, we'll have the same thing. 12, 12, nothing. So they're both neutral as well. 5, 3.3. Beautiful. So the beauty about this box now is I can extend it. I've just put a bit of pinstriping on there just so I know this is the 12 volt side, and then we've got the neutrals in between here, just so that I don't forget. Eventually I'd like to change this banana plug socket to a orange one to make it seem more of a 3.3 volt, and actually put some labeling on it as well, but that's just small things in the future. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching me build the second version of my desktop power supply unit. I'll fit this somewhere on my bench and I can hide the power supply out of sight, and I've got the switch on the power supply to switch it on and off. So that's about it for this one. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, hit that like button, or you can subscribe by hitting the button up here. Now I've also got a couple more videos up here on this side, and I've also got my cryptocurrency channel over here, so go check that out. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.